Hello guys, how are you all doing? Let us solve another interesting problem today. The name of the problem is string compression. Here goes the problem statement. Implement a method to perform basic string compression using counts of repeated characters. For example, the string A, B, C, would become A2, B2, and C3. If the compressed string would not become smaller than the original string, your method should return the original string. You can assume the string has only uppercase and lowercase letters. So, now what we need to do here is simple. There will be one string, containing uppercase or lowercase letters or both. Your job is to count the occurrence of the characters in that string, and display them, as shown here. Consider the example 1. Here the occurrence of A is 2, B is 1, C is 5, and finally, A is 3. Here the compressed string length is smaller than the original string length, and this is correct example. The second example contains both uppercase and lowercase letters. Our program is case sensitive, so it will return as A3, A2, and B5. Here, I written wrongly as A2. Let's see the third example. The input string is A, B, and the result is written as the original string. That is because the compressed string length is equal or greater than to the original string, and if so, according to the problem statement we should return the same string. Example 4 is also falls to the same category. Now let us see what is the overall idea here. I will use one method, and the name of that method be compress. Here, I iterate through the input string and count the occurrences of the characters, along with I will append the characters in a required format to the compressed string. Let us see how we can solve this. First we need object of the class scanner to read the input. We will declare a string variable to hold our input. Now we will read the string input. Now we will call the method compress, and we pass our input as the parameter. Here the result variable holds the compressed string. Let's define the function compress. We create a string builder object named compressed to hold our result. Int variable named count consecutive is used to count the occurrence of the characters. Now we loop through the input, because we need to find the count, and we have to append them to our resultant variable. Within the loop, we post-increment the count consecutive. This means that we are counting the occurrences of the first character, when I value is 0. Next if condition is used. Here we check for two cases. With OR operator, first it checks whether we reached our end of the input, and the second checks if the current character and the next character are different. If any one of the conditions is true, then we append current character to the compressed string, along with its occurrence. Then we make count consecutive variable to 0. This is because we need to check the counts for next characters in our input. Now we return the result. We will be using ternary operator to achieve this. According to the problem, we need to check the length of the compressed string. If that is less than the input string, then we return compressed string. Otherwise we return the original string. That is all. It should work now. Let's see some of the outputs. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and support. If you like the video, please like, comment and share. See you in my next video. Thank you.